Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry. Hi, I'm Sanjay Roy. So, dear students, in last video we can discuss about the physical properties of amine, where we can discuss the intermolecular force present in amine. Then we can discuss about the boiling point. Then we can discuss about the solubility. Now, in today's video, we can discuss about the basic nature of amines, right? How amines are basic in nature, that we need to discuss in today's video. So let's begin with the basic nature of amine. So let's begin with the basic nature of amine, right? So why amines are basic in nature? Because if we consider the general structure of any amine, it consists of RNH2 group. Am I right? And each nitrogen of the amine group having the lone pair of electron. That's why this lone pair having ability to donate its electron. Suppose the amine is basic in nature, and hence when you react it with any electron deficient compound like BF3, right? In BF3 it consists of only 6 electron, in boron surrounded by 6 electrons. So in this case, the lone pair of NH2 group, it can donate its electron to the BF3 and it can form one compound, that is RNH2. It can donate its electron, that's why it can form one coordination compound, it is called as BF3, right? And here in this case, if you see in this case, so the lone pair can its donate electron, lone pair अपने दोनों electron donate कर रहा है, that's why यहाँ पे हमने एक चीज पढ़ा है, the species which donates electron pair is called as Lewis base. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? It is called as Lewis base. Why it is called as Lewis base? Because in this case, the lone pair of amines, right, can donate electron pair. Either it may be primary. This is a primary, or if you take the example of secondary, the secondary amine also donate its electron pair, right? If you take the example of tertiary amine also donate its electron pair. So anyhow, the amines can donate its pair of electron, and hence amine act as a Lewis base. So Lewis base means what? Any species if it's donate its electron pair, right, it is called as Lewis base. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है? Lewis base. Now if we consider the second example, we take second example here. Suppose we just take one amines, right? हम लोग क्या ले रहे हैं? एक amines ले रहे हैं, RNN. We cannot consider either it is primary, secondary or tertiary, right? So when it is reacted with water, अगर हम लोग इसको water के साथ react कर रहे हैं, तो in this case what the reaction कैन अंडरगो, इस केस में रिएक्शन क्या होता है पहले हम लोग वो देखते हैं. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस रिएक्शन वी कैन डिसाइड आइदर इट कैन शो बेसिक नेचर और नॉट, वो हम लोग यहाँ पे डिसाइड करेंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखो, व्हेन दिस अमाइंस कैन रिएक्टेड विद बेस, अगर हम लोग इस अमाइन को किसी बेस इसके साथ रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं वाटर के साथ, तो हियर व्हाट हैपन, वी नो दैट वाटर इज एम्फोटेरिक इन नेचर. वाटर का नेचर क्या रहता है? वाटर इज एम्फोटेरिक इन नेचर. सो इफ यू राइट वाटर इन दिस वे, we can write the water molecule in this way. Now in this case, the lone pair of nitrogen, it can take H plus ion. क्या ले लेगा? H plus ion, and this bond will be shifted towards the oxygen. What we can get? We can get Rn, and here we can add one new atom, that is called as hydrogen. हमने क्या ऐड किया? Hydrogen. Now due to that nitrogen having 4 valency, that's why nitrogen can acquire which charge? Positive charge. So and we can get the hydroxide ion as a byproduct. हमको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? OH minus ion as a byproduct हमको मिलेगा, right? Now when we write the name of this, suppose now in this case water is amphoteric, राइट तो यहाँ पे ये जो अमाइंस है इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? बेस, right? Now we know that one concept, acid, conjugated acid base, where the acid consists of one H plus ion more or one hydrogen atom more, and that's why this species is called as conjugated acid. इस species को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Conjugated acid of this base, right? Now in whole process what happen here, if you consider in whole process, we can see that the nitrogen can take proton. क्या ले रहा है? H प्लस आयन. और हमने एक कंसेप्ट पढ़ा है लुईस के बाद, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? लाउरी ब्राउनस्टेट थ्योरी. So according to Lowry-Bronsted theory, the statement of Lowry-Bronsted theory is the species which can take proton, ठीक है, जो स्पेसिस प्रोटॉन लेता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे बेस बोलते हैं. तो इन दिस केस दिस लोन पेयर, यू जस्ट सी दिस लोन पेयर कैन टेक H प्लस आयन, वो H प्लस आयन ले रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज, वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट एज अ Lowry-Bronsted. हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट एज अ Lowry-Bronsted बेस. हम लोग इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, Lowry-Bronsted बेस. So we can say that the amines can act as a Lewis base because it can donate its electron pair. Amine also act as a Lowry-Bronsted base because it can accept H plus ion. ये क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, accept H plus ions, ठीक है, करके क्या Lowry-Bronsted बेस है. लुईस बेस क्यों है, डोनेट लोन पेयर, वो क्या कर रहा है, लोन पेयर को डोनेट कर रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट आल्सो एक्ट एज ए लुईस बेस. सो आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बेसिक नेचर ऑफ अमाइन, व्हाई अमाइन कैन शो बेसिक नेचर. Right now if you compare basic nature increases from primary to tertiary, ठीक है, अब क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, दैट वी नीड टू डिस्कस, राइट. तो डू वन थिंग, यू जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट, राइट, और यू जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो और नोट डाउन ऑल दिस कंटेंट. ओके, डू इट फास्ट. तो यू जस्ट सी दिस रिएक्शन हमने अभी देखा हुआ है. दिस रिएक्शन कैन शो एग्जैक्टली द बेसिक नेचर ऑफ अमाइन. नाउ इफ यू प्रोसीड फर्दर, इफ यू कंपेयर द बेसिसिटी, अगर हमको बेसिसिटी यहाँ पे कंपेयर करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ केबी एंड पीकेबी, राइट, these are the two terms and that kb stand for basicity constant. Kb को क्या बोलते हैं, वी कैन कॉल्ड एज बेसिसिटी कांस्टेंट, एंड Pkb मतलब क्या रहता है, नेगेटिव लॉग ऑफ बेसिसिटी कांस्टेंट. सो हियर यू जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम. वन थिंग यू जस्ट रिमेंबर, इफ Kb वैल्यू इंक्रीजेस, अगर तुम्हारा Kb वैल्यू इंक्रीज होता है तो वी कैन से दैट बेसिसिटी इंक्रीजेस. If your Kb value increases, basicity automatically goes on increases, and Kb is inversely proportional to Pkb. So we can say that if Pkb value decreases, basicity increases, right? So you must remember this concept, and by using that concept we can easily explain the exact basic nature of amine by using this value, right? So Kb value increases, basicity increases, Pkb value decreases, basicity increases. So you need to follow the Pkb value, ठीक है. हमको अगर Kb और Pkb value पता है तो we can easily find out the exact basic nature of amines, right? So I hope you can understand this concept, right? Now सेकंड थिंग, नाउ इफ यू कंपेयर द बेसिसिटी, अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे बेसिसिटी को कंपेयर करते हैं तो हम लोग यहाँ पे इसको कंपेयर करके देखते हैं कि इसको हम लोग कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. इफ यू कंपेयर द बेसिसिटी ऑफ अमाइन की, अब यहाँ पे अगर हमको बेसिसिटी कंपेयर करना है, सो द बेसिसिटी कैन डिपेंड्स ऑन, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ले सकते हैं, बेसिसिटी कैन डिपेंड्स अपॉन, बेसिसिटी किस पे डिपेंड है, स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्जुगेटेड एसिड. बेसिसिटी किस पे डिपेंड है, स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्जुगेटेड एसिड. ये कॉन्जुगेटेड एसिड की स्टेबिलिटी कितनी है, राइट, एंड दैट डिसाइड द बेसिसिटी ऑफ amines, right? So the stability of conjugated acid, if you see the stability order, अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर को अगर देखेंगे तो इसका एग्जैक्ट स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर क्या आता है, दैट वी नीड टू डिस्कस. सो वी स्टार्ट विद द अमोनिया. अमोनिया इज, देन वी कैन राइट द प्राइमरी अमाइन, देन वी कैन राइट द सेकेंडरी अमाइन, then we can write the tertiary amine, right? If you see the if you see the stability order, किसका stability order, stability order of conjugated acid. So we can see The stability of primary amine is greater compared to ammonia. The stability of secondary amine is greater compared to ammonia, and the stability of secondary amine is greater compared to the tertiary. तो ये ammonia है, this is called as primary amine, this is a secondary, this is the tertiary. So stability order, exact stability order is secondary amine is more stable. So if we see the basicity, we see the basic nature, so we can easily compare the basic nature of secondary amine, right? So we already explained it, the stability order is depends on, basicity is depends on the stability of conjugated acid, right? That is this species पर depend है. Now in this case you just see then what will be the basicity order. The basicity order is same as a given above. NH3 is less basic compared to the primary amine. The primary amine is more basic compared to the ammonia. Then secondary amine is more basic compared to the primary amine, but tertiary amine is a less basic compared to the, we can say that, secondary amine. So overall, if you see basicity order, secondary amine is more basic compared to tertiary, tertiary is more basic compared to primary, primary is more basic compared to ammonia. This does happen. But this situation, third degree and 1 degree, matlab tertiary and primary, sometimes they can follow the different, we can say that they can follow different orders. So here we can also write secondary, sometime primary, then tertiary, and then ठीक है टर्शरी. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या ले सकते हैं, वी कैन फॉलो एज अ अमोनिया. यहाँ पे कोई भी ऑर्डर यहाँ पे हो सकता है, ठीक है. Right, so I hope you can understand this basic nature. Right, next we can discuss the factor affecting the basic nature. Now basic nature किस basis पे decide किया, why we can decide the stability order in this way. ये order stability का हमको क्यों मिला है, that we need to discuss. Right, so I hope you can understand up to that. Right, if you understand it, please take a screenshot of it, then we can proceed further. Okay, do fast, do take a screenshot of it. Right, next we can discuss about the influence of plus I effect and solvation effect for the basicity. Now basicity का order क्यों आता है, तो first we can see the influence of inductive effect. Influence of inductive effect. Right, so we know that the basicity of amine can be decided by stability of conjugated acid. ठीक है, हमने एक reaction यहाँ पे देखा था, if you remember this reaction, when it reacted with water, it can form one conjugated acid plus hydroxide ion. So this is called as conjugated acid, and the stability of this conjugated acid can decide the basic nature. Now suppose we just take the example of conjugated acid of ammonia. हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, if we take the conjugated acid of ammonia, so the structure of conjugated acid of ammonia is NH4. ठीक है, this is the conjugated acid of ammonia. If we take the conjugated acid of primary amine, we can write the species in this way. This is the conjugated acid of primary amine. If we take the conjugated acid of the secondary amine, we can write in this way. If we take the conjugated acid of the tertiary amine, we can write in this way, 3R group with H plus ion. Now if you see the charges, now it can acquire the positive charge, it can here acquire the positive charge, here it can acquire the positive, and this it can acquire positive. So these are the conjugated acid of this is ammonia, conjugated acid of primary amine, conjugated acid of secondary amine, conjugated acid of tertiary amine. Right, now the stability of this conjugated acid can be decide the basic strength. If you see the stability, so conjugated acid in this case nitrogen can acquire positive charge. Nitrogen ने क्या acquire किया, positive charge, and it require electron. And we know that in case of hydrogen, hydrogen does not show any inductive effect. ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन तो इलेक्ट्रॉन लेता है ना, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है, तो क्या बोल सकते हैं, नो प्लस आई इफेक्ट. यहाँ पे कोई भी प्लस आई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. नाउ इन केस ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन, वी नो दैट दिस आर ग्रुप हैविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग टेंडेंसी, दैट्स व्हाई इट कैन शो प्लस आई इफेक्ट. means here only one plus I effect. In case of secondary amine, two electron donating group are there, and that's why it can show 2 plus I effect. In case of tertiary amine, here you just see the 3 electron donating groups, so we can say that 3 plus I effect, means we can say that from ammonia to tertiary amine the plus I effect continuously increases. तो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, plus I effect increases from ammonia to tertiary amine. ठीक है, and that's why basicity increases. So if we count the basicity order due to plus I effect, अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो what will be the exact basicity order? तो basicity order क्या रहेगा, R3NH plus, then RNH2R, then RNH3 plus, and then NH4 plus. So this is the exact order of the stability order समझ में आया. Now basic nature then क्या रहेगा, tertiary amine are more basic compared to the secondary is more basic compared to the primary is more basic compared to the ammonia, right? And these are the basic strength due to the plus I effect. Inductive effect के कारण ही हमको क्या मिला, basic strength, right? And if you understand it, if we यहाँ पे just consider it कि basicity of amine can be decide, first factor is the inductive effect. First factor क्या है, inductive effect can decide the basicity. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक दो इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट बेसिसिटी को क्या करता है, डिसाइड करता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट इज अ सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट हम लोग क्या लेते हैं, नेक्स्ट विकेट वी जस्ट टेक दैट इज सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट. सो सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट क्या बताता है, वो चीज हमको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करना है. सो इफ यू टेक द सेकंड इफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट. सो सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट कैसे इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट बेसिसिटी ऑफ अमाइन को डिसाइड करता है, दैट वी नीड टू डिस्कस. तो सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट मींस क्या होता है, द अमाउंट ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल सराउंडेड बाय कॉन्जुगेटेड एसिड. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं द नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल सराउंडेड बाय the number of water molecule, no, ये थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशन प्रॉपर नहीं है तो वी कैन इरेज इट. तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं द नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अराउंड conjugated acid. conjugated acid के सराउंडिंग में कितने मॉलिक्यूल है, राइट? सो इफ यू राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑल दिस फोर, अमोनिया, प्राइमरी अमाइन, सेकेंडरी अमाइन, तो वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. सपोज वी जस्ट राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ the conjugated acid form due to the primary amine, ammonia, then we can write the conjugated acid form due to the primary amine. Then we can write the conjugated acid due to the secondary amine. हम लोग secondary amine का structure लिखेंगे RNRH. Then we can write the conjugated acid of the base of the tertiary amine. ठीक है, in all these cases we know that it having the charge, positive charge, it having the positive charge, it also having the positive charge, here also positive charge, here also positive charge, right? Now if you see the solvation means around it how many water molecule must be present, कितने water molecule यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं, what will be the probability of number of water molecules surrounded by we can say that this. तो अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे एक water molecule रखता मैं यहाँ पे, This is the first water molecule. This is the second water molecule surrounded by it. This is the third water molecule. This is the fourth water molecule. Right. Now here also we can write another water molecule. Here one more, and here we can write one more water molecule. Here also we can write water molecule. Here also we can write the water molecule. Here also we can write the water molecule. Now you just see, in case of the conjugated acid formed by the ammonia, how many water molecules are surrounded? How many water molecules are surrounded by the we can say that this conjugated acid. So here it can form one hydrogen bonding, it can form second hydrogen bonding, it can form third hydrogen bonding, it can form fourth. So it can form four hydrogen bonding. Here it can form 1, 2, 3 hydrogen bonding. Here it can form only 1, 2 hydrogen bonding. Here it can form only 1 hydrogen bonding. So the solvation energy or the solvation effect gradually decreases from ammonia to tertiary amine. So if you see the solvation effect, we can get the different sequence. So according to solvation effect, तो सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट किसका सबसे ज्यादा आ रहा? सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट ऑफ NH4 plus is greater compared to the RNH3 plus, which is greater compared to the R2 NH2 plus, which is greater compared to the R3 NH plus. So if you see, the basic strength in case due to plus I effect is this one. Sorry, the basic strength due to plus I effect ये होता है, ठीक है. Now basic strength due to solvation effect क्या रहेगा? Ammonia is more basic compared to the primary, primary is more basic compared to secondary, secondary is more basic compared to the tertiary. So this is the exact basic strength if you see due to solvation effect, right? And this is the exact basic nature due to, ये exact basic nature किसके लिए? Due to inductive effect, solvation effect. You can see if inductive effect says that tertiary amine is most basic, but in case of solvation effect, ammonia is the most basic. So if you compare these two effects, inductive effect and solvation effect, we can find that the exact basic nature, we can easily find that. So the exact basic nature हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? By combining these two effects, combining this two effect, अगर हम लोग दोनों इफेक्ट को कंबाइन करते तो वी कैन से दैट द बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ क्या होना चाहिए? सो द बेसिक एग्जैक्ट बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ वी कैन सी, सो सेकेंडरी अमाइन इज मोस्ट बेसिक, ठीक है. सेकेंडरी अमाइन क्योंकि इसमें भी देखेंगे और इसमें भी देखेंगे, दोनों इफेक्ट सेकेंडरी का सेम है. सेकेंडरी, देन टर्शरी, देन प्राइमरी, देन अमोनिया. और इसका और एक सीक्वेंस लिख सकते हैं, सेकेंडरी, देन प्राइमरी, देन टर्शरी, देन NH3. So these are the two sequence. Means overall we can say that secondary amine is more basic compared to the primary and tertiary amine. क्यों है? हमने उसको explain किया है, justify किया है, due to this two effect, that is inductive effect and solvation. Inductive effect क्या बोलता है? Tertiary amine is more basic, but solvation effect क्या बोलता है? Primary amine is more basic. Now where we can follow this sequence, ये sequence का follow करना है तो इसके लिए अलग अलग condition है, that can be decided by R group, ठीक है. Now when tertiary, when inductive effect is dominant, ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारा क्या रहेगा? inductive effect डोमिनेंट, तो ये सीक्वेंस आएगा. अगर सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट डोमिनेंट है, सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट अगर तुम्हारा डोमिनेंट है तो हमारा सीक्वेंस चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है। तो ये अब यहाँ पे इफ R इज इक्वल टू सपोज वी जस्ट टेक द इथाइल ग्रुप और अबो, ठीक है, तो क्या रहेगा ये, और बट अगर तुम्हारा क्या रहेगा R इज इक्वल टू मिथाइल ग्रुप, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे R इज इक्वल टू मिथाइल ग्रुप मींस क्या हो रहा है, नाउ नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम 6, ठीक है, अगर मिथाइल ग्रुप रहेगा तो 3 ही रहेगा, दैट्स व्हाई जितना तुम्हारा बल्कीनेस बढ़ेगा उतना सॉल्वेशन इफेक्ट कम होगा। तो ओवरऑल इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस, ये सीक्वेंस तुम्हारी बुक में नहीं दिया, उन्होंने बस इतना बोला कि सेकेंडरी अमाइन इज मोर बेसिक कंपेयर्ड टू द प्राइमरी एंड टर्शियरी, राइट। सो दिस इज ओवरऑल द बेसिसिटी ऑफ अमाइंस or the influence of plus I effect and solvation can decide the exact basic nature. I hope you can understand this point. If you understand, please take a screenshot of it, then we can proceed further. Just take a screenshot of it, ठीक है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको आगे बढ़ते। Now next we can discuss about the basicity of aryl amine, right? So we know that in case of aryl amine, we just take the example of aniline. So aniline also having the lone pair. This lone pair of aniline can take H plus ion. Now what we get? We can get the compound consist of ring. Now here we can get NH3 positive, right, plus OH minus. So this is the base and it is the conjugated acid. Right, now the basic nature can be decided on the basis of stability of this conjugated acid. Conjugated acid kitna stable hai, that can be decided. So if you see the equilibrium concept, so in this reaction we just observe that equilibrium will be shifted टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट। इक्विलिब्रियम किधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है, टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट शिफ्ट हो रहा है। क्यों शिफ्ट हो रहा है, इसका भी रीजन है, बिकॉज दिस एनिलीन इज मोर स्टेबल compared to this conjugated acid. Now why? Because in case of aniline, if you see the structure of aniline, we see the structure of aniline, it having lone pair. Now this lone pair, single bond, double bond are in conjugation. You just see this lone pair, single bond, this lone pair, single bond, double bond are in conjugation and hence it can be involved in resonance. वो किस में involve होगा, resonance में. Now what happened if you draw the resonating structure, this lone pair can be shifted over here and this bond will be shifted on this bond, right? This is the first structure we can get. Now after the shifting, what structure we can get? So here it can acquire the negative charge, here it can acquire the double bond having NH2 positive sign, here double bond, here double bond. In very next structure we can see that now this negative single double bond in conjugation, so this negative will be shifted over, this bond will be shifted over here. So if you take the third structure, we can easily find out here it can acquire negative, here it can acquire double bond, here double bond, here same NH2 positive, right? Then again if you see there is a conjugation negative single double, so this negative charge will be shifted over here, this bond will be shifted over here. What we can get here, we can get the next structure. The next structure is, right, so here in this position it acquire negative charge, here it can acquire double bond, here double bond NH2 plus, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, double bond NH2 plus. Now very next structure, now if you see the movement here, negative charge वापस यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, this bond is shifted over here, so we can get the final structure, final resonating structure of this. This is the final resonating structure where we can get डबल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा NH2, राइट। तो दिस इज ऑल रिजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर। ये सारे स्ट्रक्चर क्या रहता है, स्ट्रक्चर। But if you draw the about the conjugated acid is less stable because it does not having any resonance effect. यहाँ पे लोन पेयर डोनेट करने के लिए नहीं है, सो हम लोग क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं, नो रेजोनेंस. सो this molecule is unstable compared to this. So aniline is more stable compared to this conjugated acid and hence equilibrium shift towards the left, and that's why we can say that from this we can conclude that aryl amine are less basic compared to ammonia and amines. कौन से amines? Aliphatic amine. सो ओवरऑल समरी हमको क्या बोलता है, इफ यू सी द बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर, तो ओवरऑल बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर क्या रहेगा, राइट? तो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, ओवरऑल बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर इज R2NH, secondary amine is more basic compared to R3N, right? Greater compared to RNH2 is greater compared to the NH3 is greater compared to the aryl amine. यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस क्या चेंज हो सकता है, और R2NH is more basic compared to RNH2 is more basic compared to R3N is more basic compared to the NH3 is more basic compared to the aryl amine. ठीक है, तो ओवरऑल वी कैन से दैट एलिफेटिक अमाइंस आर मोर बेसिक कंपेयर टू द एरोमेटिक अमाइन, राइट? तो दिस इज ऑल रिगार्डिंग द बेसिसिटी ऑफ अमाइन, राइट? आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस and the factor affecting the basic nature, right? Last we can show one slide to you, right, where we can easily understand the basic nature of amines. ठीक है, तो first do one thing, just take a screenshot of it, राइट है? इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख दो ताकि तुमको आगे प्रॉब्लम ना हो, राइट है? तो डू इट फास्ट, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट, ओके? So if you see this table, we can easily understand in this table, if you see the pkb value, ठीक है, इस टेबल में देखो तुम pkb वैल्यू को यहाँ पे देखोगे, तुमको अपने आप समझ में आएगा कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. If you see the pkb value are very different, है ना? अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे इफ यू कंसिडर एज अ प्राइमरी अमाइन, यहाँ पे देखो प्राइमरी अमाइन को अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, so it having total different pkb value. So methanamine, its pkb value is 3.38, ethanamine, its pk value is 3.29, propane to amine, its pk value is 3.40 and 4.7, right? So if you see the pkb value, अगर तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, pkb वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बेसिसिटी क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बेसिसिटी क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, डिक्रीज हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? Now if you see the secondary amine having pkb value, अगर इसका pkb value देखते हैं, if you focus on it, if you see the pkb value, you can easily understand the pkb value of secondary amine are less compared to the primary amine. प्राइमरी अमाइन के कंपैरिजन में सेकेंडरी अमाइन का पीके वैल्यू क्या है, तुम्हारा कम है, मींस सेकेंडरी अमाइन अल्काइल अमीन इज मोर बेसिक. If you see the tertiary is a greater compared to the secondary, and if you see the ammonia is a more greater compared to the tertiary. So we can get exact order, secondary, then sometime here tertiary, in this case this one 3.25, but it having 4 points, so sometime it may be tertiary or sometime it may be primary, then we can say that ammonia, right? This is the value. And finally you just see the aryl amine, it having pkb value is very large, and if pkb value increases, basicity decreases, right? So if we can prove that aryl amine having less basic, then ammonia, then tertiary amine, then sometime primary, and finally most basic amine is a secondary amine. Secondary amine क्या रहेगा, this secondary amine is a most basic. ठीक है, so this is all regarding the basic nature of amines, right? I hope you can understand the complete justification of the basicity of amine. हमने सारे probability यहाँ पे देख लिया हुआ है, right? So I can understand all the points of the amine. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry, and also share with your friends. This is very important topic. In next class, in next video, we can discuss about the exact reactions of amine. That reaction can be given by only amine that we need to discuss. So today we can stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.